The role of Savior Kasukuwere has taken a surprising turn, with some insiders claiming he is operating as an intelligence asset for the current administration to help identify and neutralize internal threats. These reports suggest that high-level surveillance is being conducted on opposition figures and military personnel alike. The tension is palpable as the government prepares for the Third Amendment of the Constitution, a move that many believe will be the catalyst for a total peg of the Vice President's allies. Sarabina Mashkobdani kwa pango anasisi Kasukuwere working with mnangagwa to remove Bibi Chiwenga. Ndo wa subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tibina mnamu udani kwa mshinzi. The political landscape in Zimbabwe has been set ablaze by explosive allegations of a deepening rift within the highest offices of the land. Recent reports suggest that a clandestine alliance has formed between President Mnangagwa and former Cabinet Minister Savior Kasukuwere. The partnership is purportedly aimed at dismantling the influence of Vice President Chiwenga, signaling a brutal internal power struggle that would reshape the nation's future before the end of April. At the heart of the controversy is the emergence of a parallel structure with the Zimbabwean military. Allegations that surfaced claiming that Chiwenga is actively coordinating with certain army generals to facilitate a move against the president. These claims are being amplified by intelligence-linked social media accounts, which suggest that the military is currently split into two warring factions, those loyal to 23rd Division and those vehemently opposed to constitutional extensions. The role of Savior Kasukuwere has taken a surprising turn, with some insiders claiming he is operating as an intelligence asset for the current administration to help identify and neutralize internal threats. These reports suggest that high-level surveillance is being conducted on opposition figures and military personnel alike. The tension is palpable as the government prepares for the Third Amendment of the Constitution, a move that many believe will be a catalyst for a total peg of Vice President's allies. Beyond the political drama, the region is facing significant economic shifts. While Zimbabwe celebrates international recognition for its tourism and natural wonders, the domestic reality is shaped by rising fuel prices and a changing automotive market. The influx of high-tech Chinese vehicles is disrupting traditional brands, reflecting a broader shift in trade dependencies that mirrors the shifting political alliances within Southern African Development Community region SADC. As the 90-day window for these predicted changes begins to close, all eyes are on Zimbabwe's military and upcoming national events. Whether these allegations of a coup plot are a precursor to actual military action or a strategic smear campaign remains to be seen. However, one thing is certain: the era of unity within the ruling party is fractured, leaving a vacuum that could lead to one of the most significant political reset since 2017. Toma developments at the Bombe Zimbabwe. Ndakumenya section medu za fungura any more today from Super Chitwage. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.